Hello everybody, in this video how to install Windows 7 Emerald version Silverlight. Create a new virtual machine. Okay, I think to use a virtual machine to download it. I think to use to download of Windows 7 Emerald. Okay, I think to use switch it of the Windows or Linux. Okay, I think to use Windows 7 and 82 gigabyte. Okay, I think to use finish. Okay, to start it and start virtual machine, start it up. The Windows 12 Silverlight of today to download of Windows 12 from Linux or the Silverlight of Windows is not comfortable of Garuda Linux. Garuda Linux did not started just look it alike from messages of the direct 3D to play games. Okay, I think to use mm, starting from the Windows and to play it off to the downloaded of Linux. VirtualBox is Windows 12, but Windows I think to use Windows 12 Silverlight, kinda like Mac OS from Apple. Okay, I think to use Mac OS from Shiva. Okay, I think to use other of look it alike Windows games for platforms, kinda like PlayStation and Sega and Nintendo and Commodore and Apple. If you want to play games is not comfortable of Windows, to play games other emulation kinda like DuckStation, RVC SX. Okay, I think to use the Englishman. Okay, I think to the accept of license terms. Okay, I think to use a new virtual machine. I did not use a new partition. Okay, I think to use to download it off VMware tools. Okay, I think to use Windows 7 kinda like VMware WorkStation Pro. In this video, how to download Windows 11 Windows 11 look it alike to super light of ultra slim, just make performance from PC games. Okay, I think to use virtual VMware temporary period from Windows 10 2025 is Microsoft remove supported of Windows 10. Just switch it off Linux disruption. Look at like Ubuntu or Fedora or others of disruption. Okay, in this video, take a break. Switch off Linux. After come back from after a break, in this video, how to complete an installation from Windows 7 via VMware WorkStation Player. But VMware WorkStation Player from Windows is comfortable, but Linux VMS is not comfortable. Okay, I think to use from a new version of VMware WorkStation, and then click it off the English. I do not set a password. Okay, I can to use of do not use a product key or skip it. Okay, I think to use ask me later. Okay, I think to use data setting date of the time setting. Okay, I think to use you are not using a public network. Complete your installation. Thanks for watching.